Okay, so 44, 45 we'll do together. Find the z-score for which the area to the left is 0.38. Here's my normal distribution. There's my z equals 0. So this is perfectly symmetric. So 0.5, half is less than 0. Half is greater than 0 for the area we're talking about, 0.5, 0.5. So I kind of want something like, I don't know, like this. I want my area here, this area here, to be 0.38. And I want to know what the z-value is that gives me that area of 0.38. Now, if we remember, this area is what we look at the table and we find based on that z-value. So we're kind of doing this backwards. Now I want to look at the table, look for this value, 0.38. I want to look for 0.38 in here. I want to look for 0.38 in here and see which z-value works out to that. So of course z is going to be negative, less than 0 here. So I'm looking for 0.38 here, or as close to it as I can get. 0.3821, 0.3783, somewhere in between here. Somewhere like negative 0.30, negative 0.31, somewhere in there. Between negative 0.30 and negative 0.31. Somewhere in between there. That's where 0.38 was going to be, if you're with me, right? It says 0.3783, 0.3821. 0.38 is somewhere in between there. Somewhere in between there. So we can call it negative 0.31. So that z equals negative point. What do we say? I forget. Negative 0.31, we can say. Somewhere close to that. It might round up to that. Negative 0.31. It's my z-value. Same idea here. Jeez. Here's 0. So the area to the right is 0.52. A little bit more than 0.5, so a little bit here. So again, that value is going to be negative, right? I want this area here to the right, that area to be 0.52. If it was 0.5, that'll be easy. The z-value is just 0, right? But a little bit more than that, 0.52. So let's find that z-value. And remember now, if it's 0.52 to the right, then to the left is 1 minus that. To the left is 0.48. That's what we really want to see on the table, 0.48. And that'll give me this z-value where to the right is 0.52. It's the same question, right? To the left is 0.48 or to the right is 0.52. Same question. But remember, the table gives us the values to the left. So we're looking for 0.48 to the left, 0.48, 0.48. Oh, I like this. Negative 0.05. Negative 0.05. I'll take that. Z equals negative 0.05. That's the z-value that gives you the area to the right is 0.52, or the area to the left is 0.48. Same thing.